Are you relying on the 8 glasses a day rule to stay hydrated? It might be time to reconsider. In this video, we'll explore the latest research on hydration and water intake and see if the 8 glasses a day rule still holds up. According to a recent study published in Science magazine, the amount of water our bodies need can vary widely depending on our age, activity level, and even the climate we live in. The study looked at over 5,000 people in 23 different countries and found that men between the ages of 20 and 30 and women ages 20 to 55 had the highest water turnover, or the amount of water used by the body daily. These numbers varied significantly depending on humidity, altitude, latitude, and other factors. But just measuring how much water we drink isn't enough to know if we're properly hydrated. In fact, only half of the water our bodies need comes from drinking water, the rest comes from food. That's why it's important to pay attention to other signs of dehydration, like feeling thirsty, dry mouth, tiredness, and dark yellow urine. So, how much water should we be drinking? The general guideline is to aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, or about 2 liters. But you may need more or less depending on your individual needs and circumstances. For example, if you're exercising or spending time in a hot environment, you'll need to drink more water to compensate for the additional water loss through sweat. And remember, water isn't the only way to stay hydrated. Fruits and vegetables with high water content, like watermelon and cucumbers, can also help keep you hydrated. But the study's findings raise more questions about the effects of different environments on our body's water needs. For example, people living in low-wealth countries like Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, and Tanzania had higher water turnover rates than those residing in high-wealth countries like Belgium, Japan, and the United States. This may be due to the frequent use of indoor climate control in wealthier countries. So, the next time you're wondering if you're drinking enough water, just listen to your body and not just the 8 cups a day rule to make sure you're getting the hydration you need. And don't forget about the more than 2 billion people in the world who don't have access to clean drinking water, a number that is expected to grow according to a 2018 United Nations report. Research articles like this can help us all fight against dehydration, especially in areas with water shortages. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can watch another video just like this by clicking the card on your screen.